students, moving towards ciliated epithelial cells. Let's move to that slide over here. Now I've drawn the slide over here. As you can see, this is the cell membrane, and the purple, the circular parts you can see, this is the nucleus. Okay, now these are ciliated epithelial cells. Okay, now what you can see over here, the red line going up and down, what is this? This is the cilia making sweeping movements. Okay, it is going like this, and it is making sweeping movements. Okay, now let's read about it. What does it do? Now they have mentioned the task, the functions, and the adaptation both over here. Okay, so don't get confused that why is it only one paragraph written over here. Now read your textbook. It's written over there that they have tiny hairs called cilia. Along with the upper surface, sweep the dust and microbes along the airways, such as lining of the nose and windpipe, keeping them clean. Now students, I hope you've gotten the concept that what are ciliated epithelial cells. It means they're present on our skin. Okay, they're tiny hairs. Okay, if you look at your hand, if you look inside your nose, you can see some tiny hairs. What do? They sweep the dust from inside and outside the skin, and it is the lining of the nose and the windpipe keeping them clean. Okay, so as we have to inhale the oxygen from our surroundings, but we have to also purify it. So this is the ciliated epithelial cells called cilia that keeps them clean. This is a filter, kind of a filter inside our body. Okay, now moving towards another line, ciliated cells in the oviducts move the egg cells along from the ovaries to the uterus. Now egg cells are present only in females, and what do? The ciliated cells inside the oviducts inside the females move the egg cells along the ovaries to the uterus. Okay, they passes to the uterus, so they are removed from the body inside the female. The egg cells are only present inside the female. Let's move forward. Now, I hope you have gotten the both concepts of red blood cells, nerve cells, and ciliated epithelial cells. Now we will discuss something about unicellular and multicellular. Now I've taken the definitions, I've made the definition and examples for you students over here, which was not present in your textbooks. Now you can note these definitions if you want. I've separated them from the text given on your textbook. Now then let's discuss about unicellular. What is unicellular? Now students, you can mark this point over here. You can make a note that uni means one. Okay, uni means only one, and cellular means cells. So unicellular means an organism only made up of one cell. And what are its examples? These are microbes, simple plants, animals, including amoeba and cholera. I'll show you the diagram in the next slide about amoeba, and cholera is present on your textbooks. Now let's move forward to multicellular. Multi means many. It has been derived from the word many. Okay, multi means many, multiple. Okay, as you multiply, multiply means it keeps multiplying, it keeps growing, so it means multicellular means many cells, multiple cells. Its definition is an organism made up of more than one cell. Now students, I hope you have understood the concept of multicellular. It means more than one cell.